Hey everyone, a little different video today. We're doing an upgrade, well hopefully an upgrade. Rough country. Yes, I know some people question rough country, but we've actually been having luck with them lately. They got a hold of us and sent us a bunch of stuff. So, got my bumper here. This is my old one. They sent this new one here for us. So the bumper is going to be going onto my Jeep. And then we'll do this on a different episode. Josh is super busy right now. He's got a bunch of stuff going on, but he got a bunch of stuff for his Jeep as well that we're gonna be installing too. But pretty stoked. They're gonna put it on, see how it does, and I like the looks of it. Only thing is, I'm wondering, there's supposed to be some lights that go here, which it came with, but I kind of like it open. So I don't know, we'll put it on first, see what it looks like and that. But let's see how easy this is to install.
All right, we got everything pulled out of the box. Doesn't look too terribly difficult. I mean, realistically, it's 8 bolts.
We're missing the lights.
The lights are probably still in the house.
Oh, okay.
Probably on the cat tree or whatever. But yeah, from shipping, you can see. No, man, not that. That's just fluff. Where did it go? Oh, see some marks down there. See a dent right there. There's a lot of little chips and dings on it, but that's just from shipping. It's not Rough Country's fault by any means. But I mean, it's gonna get destroyed anyways. But yeah, start putting it in and see how it looks. This one goes, wraps around. So just gotta set that one up, and then the bumper can come off. You know, as much as I like to make fun of you, I was purposely, like, when I went to work on Saturday, I was like, I'm gonna bring the tools home just in case, bumper. And then I was like driving out of work and I was like, nope, I forgot. I was like, I'm not turning around.
Yeah, it happened. The nice part is this thing has been off recently, so shouldn't be too bad. Coming.
One bumper delete kit. I rock it like that.
Hey, you see right here?
Oh yeah.
Good plate.
So the old Amazon bumper. You can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the winch plate is bent pretty good.
So actually come from the front, you can really see it. It's supposed to be straight.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that side's really bad. Yeah, that was straight. And we haven't done that many hard pulls with it.
It's like you get what you pay for.
Yeah. So, hopefully the Rough Country one's a little stronger than that, because that's not cool.
If not, they're going to be doing a lot of warranty.
Yep. Look at that. Not ideal. Oh, look at this. Color instructions. That's nice.
directions? Or?
I threw them on the ground in front of the camera to make it look more dramatic. Guess I should read the instructions.
Poop. Okay, sorry. So he said the lights before the bumper was on?
If you want to put the lights on.
Yeah, okay. I think that'd be a lot easier anyways.
Oh, it would appear I was doing it wrong. Instructions. Who knew? I'm a mechanic. There's actually only 14 minutes left on that card.
On mine?
Yeah.
I'm prepared. Where's my some balls washers? Just sitting there.
Oh, watch my stuff. Hopefully that's out of the way enough.
Nope.
Now, before anyone asks why we didn't just pull the winch off properly, because we're lazy.
True story.
That's the only reason why it's sitting on my freaking recycling bin.
And probably have to do something anyways because we're not gonna be able to pull the wires around.
Oh no, we got this. All right, got the new light bar in. Side lights. Mike's just tightening everything up. I think it looks pretty good. Whoop, socket rolling away. I think that's not so bad. A little bit of an improvement for sure. We got it done in the nick of time. All right, there's the finished product.
Minus like
Yeah, still got to wire in the lights, but not 100% sure what to do with that yet. But yeah, it's not so bad. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, I'm happy with that actually.
I
I wasn't sure about having the wings there, but
I think it actually looks pretty good.
yeah, it's slightly more legal and
Yeah, slightly more legal. Should be good.